In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot to your Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a live chat widget and chatbot running on your storefront, ready to help visitors, capture leads, and answer common questions around the clock. First, open your Shopify store by signing into your Shopify admin in your web browser. From the dashboard, look toward the main navigation. Click Tools, then click Apps. This is where you'll find and manage everything you install for your store. If you're taken to the Shopify App Store page, you're in the right place. In the search bar, type Tidio. Tidio is a popular solution that combines live chat with AI-powered chatbots, letting you chat with customers in real time while also automating responses to frequent questions. When you see the Tidio app in the results, click it, then click Install. Shopify will confirm the permissions the app needs to work, approve the installation so it can add the chat widget to your storefront and connect to your admin. Once it's installed, you'll be guided into configuration. Start by setting up your live chat. Choose your display name, pick your brand colors, and decide where the chat bubble should appear. Bottom right is the most common. Set your availability so customers know when a real person is online. Create a friendly welcome message and add an offline message or contact form for times when you're away so you never miss a lead. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. Tidio's onboarding will walk you through enabling the chat widget, selecting a language, and turning on basic automations like instant replies or "We'll be right with you" messages. If you're prompted to connect an account or verify your store, go ahead and complete those steps. The guided setup keeps you on track, and you can revisit any setting later if you change your mind. Feel free to customize and explore the app. Try chatbot templates to handle FAQs like shipping, order status, or return policies. Add proactive greetings that trigger when a visitor spends time on a page or looks at the cart. Consider enabling desktop or mobile notifications so you can respond quickly. You can also adjust the chat widget's behavior on mobile, fine-tune the chatbot's tone, and review conversation transcripts to spot opportunities for new automations. That's it. You opened your Shopify store, clicked Tools and Apps, searched for Tidio, installed it, configured your live chat, followed the onboarding prompts, and customized the experience. When you're done, visit your store as a customer in a private browser window to make sure the chat appears and works as expected. Enjoy your new chatbot and happy selling.